Do you need help migrating from Jotform to Jodoo? I'm Erica, and today, I'll show you just how simple this process can be. In this video, we'll export your Jotform data to Excel and upload those to Jodoo. Let's get started. First up, navigate to your Jotform and find the form you want to move over. Click the Submissions option, and it will take us to the Jotform tables. From here, click Download All, and select Download as Excel. Jotform will then package up all your form entries and send you an Excel file to your Downloads folder. Now we have your data, let's bring it into Jodoo. Let's head to Jodoo Workspace and pick an app where you want this form to live. Click the plus button, select New Form, and choose Create from Excel. Hit the Upload icon, and upload the Excel file you got from Jotform. Jodoo will automatically scan your file and list everything inside under the header column. Next, you can rename your form. And if you have groups or categories you want to use, you can assign them here. Then, map the columns to the field type that best fits the data. Jodoo does a great job guessing field types, but this is your chance to customize. For example, if you have a feedback type column, you might want to make that a radio field for multiple choice convenience. Or if you have a Describe Your Feedback column, maybe switch it to a multi-line field, so it's easier to read longer comments. Once everything looks good to you, go ahead and import the data. In a few seconds, you'll see your form neatly in place, and all of your data is officially in Jodoo. And that's it, your migration is done. I hope this is helpful for you. If you have any questions, leave me a comment or join our community. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.